yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's time to get an ascending. It's time to ascend. It's time to ascend. There is a clear call in the spirit for sons and daughters to ascend into a yonder place. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I see victory. I see victory. I see victory for a sister. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I see victory for a sister. God is taking you to triumph. Akuske ikeku e papupe pupe helupe hehihepu pa momeme ikeku preko suyele saliaka pike kuke hime pumene arome kuheliamo ikekushkakie hamupa pupe. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There is a drum of victory in the spirit. There is a sound of victory. So Holy Ghost, we are the ones that you want to promote. Let your hand rest upon them strongly. Holy Ghost, help me. Help me. Online. On ground, let your hand rest upon them strongly. Holy Ghost. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.